This medication is a combination of two drugs, Niraparib and abiraterone, and is used to treat prostate cancer. Niraparib slows the growth of cancer cells, while abiraterone reduces the amount of testosterone produced by the body, which in turn slows down the growth and spread of prostate cancer. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication should be discussed with your healthcare provider. Before you start taking Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet Antineoplastic-Poly, Adp-Ribose, Polymerase, Parp, inhibitor, be sure to read the patient information leaflet provided by your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth on an empty stomach, usually once daily. Swallow the tablets whole with water and do not crush or chew them. Avoid eating food for 2 hours before and 1 hour after taking this medication, as taking it with food can increase the amount of the drug in your body and the risk of side effects. The dosage of Akeega is based on your medical condition, response to treatment, and other medications you may be taking. It's important to inform your doctor and pharmacist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Take this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. Do not increase your dose or use this drug more often or for longer than prescribed, as it will not improve your condition any faster and may increase the risk of serious side effects. Additionally, since this drug can be absorbed through the skin and lungs and may harm an unborn baby, women who are pregnant or may become pregnant should not handle this medication or breathe the dust from the tablets. Some common side effects of Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet Antineoplastic-Poly, Adp-Ribose, Polymerase, Parp, inhibitor include constipation, trouble sleeping, dizziness, nausea, and vomiting. Taking this medication at bedtime may help reduce nausea. Your doctor may also prescribe medication to prevent or relieve nausea and vomiting. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist promptly. It is important to note that while using this medication, there may be serious side effects. However, your doctor has prescribed this drug because the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Your doctor will carefully monitor you to decrease your risk. This medication may also raise your blood pressure and heart rate. It is important to regularly check your blood pressure and heart rate and inform your doctor if the results are high. Your doctor may provide medication to control your blood pressure and heart rate. Notify your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, including swelling of the hands/ankles/feet, muscle cramps/weakness, or leg pain. Additionally, this medication may decrease bone marrow function, potentially leading to a low number of blood cells such as red cells, white cells, and platelets. This can cause anemia, decrease your body's ability to fight an infection, or cause easy bruising/bleeding. It is important to inform your doctor immediately if you develop symptoms such as unusual tiredness, pale skin, signs of infection, easy bruising/bleeding, weakness, or weight loss. In rare cases, this medication may cause a condition called PRES, posterior reversible encephalopathy syndrome. Seek medical help immediately if you experience a headache that doesn't go away, seizures, sudden vision changes, or mental/mood changes. If you experience very serious side effects such as chest pain, fast/irregular heartbeat, severe dizziness, fainting, or symptoms of liver disease, it is important to seek medical help immediately. While allergic reactions to this drug are rare, it is crucial to seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it is important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed above. Before taking this medication, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to Niraparib or abiraterone, or if you have any other allergies. Also, be sure to discuss your medical history, especially if you have had a previous heart attack, high blood pressure, liver disease, or diabetes. This medication can increase your risk of getting infections or worsen any current infections. Be careful to avoid contact with people who have infections that can spread to others, such as chickenpox, measles, or the flu. It's important to consult your doctor if you have been exposed to an infection or need more information. Avoid getting immunizations or vaccinations without your doctor's consent, and stay away from people who have recently received live vaccines, such as the flu vaccine inhaled through the nose. To reduce the risk of getting cut, bruised, or injured, be cautious with sharp objects like razors and nail cutters, and avoid activities like contact sports. This medication may cause dizziness. Using alcohol or marijuana can intensify this effect, so avoid driving, using machinery, or doing anything that requires alertness until you can do so safely. Limit your alcohol consumption and discuss your marijuana use with your doctor. Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet can cause a condition that affects the heart rhythm. This can lead to serious symptoms that require immediate medical attention. The risk of this condition may be increased if you have certain medical conditions or are taking other drugs that can cause heart rhythm issues. Be sure to inform your doctor of all the medications you are taking and any relevant medical conditions. Low levels of potassium or magnesium in your blood can also increase the risk of heart rhythm issues. Discuss this with your doctor, especially if you are using certain drugs or have conditions such as severe sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting. Using corticosteroid medications along with Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet for a long time can make it harder for your body to respond to physical stress. Before surgery, emergency treatment, or if you experience a serious illness or injury, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist if you are using this medication or have used it within the past 12 months. If you will be using this medication for an extended period, carry a warning card or medical ID bracelet that identifies your use of this medication. Before undergoing surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. This medication should not be used by women, especially during pregnancy or breastfeeding, as it may harm an unborn or breastfeeding baby. Men using this medication should inquire about reliable forms of birth control during treatment and for 4 months after the last dose. Be sure to consult your doctor for more details. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet Antineoplastic-Poly, Adp-Ribose, Polymerase, Parp, inhibitor, as they may change how the medication works or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One product that may interact with Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet Antineoplastic-Poly, Adp-Ribose, Polymerase, Parp, inhibitor is radium Ra-223. Additionally, other medications can affect the removal of Akeega from your body, which may in turn affect how it works. Examples of such medications include drugs used to treat seizures, such as carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital, primidone, rifamycins, such as rifampin and St. John's wort, among others. Be sure to discuss any potential interactions with your healthcare provider. If you or someone you know has taken too much Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. It is important not to share this medication with others. Before starting and while taking this medication, it is important to have lab and/or medical tests done, such as complete blood count, blood pressure, heart rate, potassium levels, liver function, and PSA blood test. It is also important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose of Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet Antineoplastic-Poly, Adp-Ribose, Polymerase, Parp, inhibitor, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Akeega 100 mg to 500 mg tablet Antineoplastic-Poly, Adp-Ribose, Polymerase, Parp, inhibitor at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Make sure to keep it out of the bathroom and out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this safely. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.